It's recording. Hey scholars, welcome to Wednesday's math mini lesson. We are going to continue our work with place value, and today what we're going to do is we're going to break numbers down using place value. So take a look at our opener. It says, what's my number? What's my number? We have tens, we have ones. What's my number? Count them up. You could say 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. My number is 24. Now take a look here. What is the value of the digit 2 in the number 24? What is the value of the 2? There are two tens. The value of the two tens would be 20. 10, 20, right? What is the value of the digit 4 in the number 24? The value of the digit 4 is 4. There's 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make 130. Take a look. 100, 10, 20, 30. So 130 is how many hundreds? 100. And how many 30? Or how many tens? 3 tens, which equals 30. So the value of the 3 isn't 3, it's 30. And the value of the digit 1 isn't 1, it's 100, right? Now, take a look. We do not have number cards, but we are going to be flexible and we are going to try this out using a whiteboard and markers if you have them. And if you don't have a whiteboard or a marker, you can get a piece of paper and a pencil and come right back. All right, pause the video if you need some materials and if you have to go far away to get them, and then come on back so we can do this together. All right, welcome back. I hope you got the materials because sometimes me just talking at you, it's hard to learn online that way. So I really hope that you were able to get some materials. A pencil and paper is fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to just make a double T-chart for now. So I have my double T-chart, and the reason it's called that is it's like the number or the letter T, but there's 2 lines instead of 1. And we have our place values, so we have the ones to the right, and then we have the tens, and then we put in the hundreds. So take a minute, pause the video so you can set it up like mine. All right, welcome back. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to go like this. So on my little whiteboard, I can put the number at the bottom. So we have the number, let's start with 807. We have 807. 807. And actually, I'm going to space it out so it matches up with the place values. So we have the 7 in the ones place, there's 0 in the tens place, and there's 8 in the hundreds place. So let's start with the hundreds. How many 100s are there? There's 8. So we would do 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Am I finished? No. I need 8. 100, 100, 100. 8 100s. How many tens do I have? Make it with your hand. 0. And how many ones? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So in the number 807, the value of the 8 is 800. The value of the 7 is 7 ones, right? Let's try another number. And we aren't going to do the numbers that are on the slides. Actually, we're going to just do this. We're going to just take away 3,000 right now, and we're just going to do 429. So write 429. 429. How many hundreds do we have? We have 4 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 100s. And how many tens do we have? 2 tens. And how many nines do we have? Or I'm sorry, how many ones do we have? We have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in the number 429, the value of the 4 is 400. In the number 429, the value of the number 2 is 20. The value of the number 9 is 9. Okay, let's try an example, and this time I'm going to make this into a triple T chart. Check this out. It's kind of crazy. Okay, so a triple T chart means we're going to do 1, 2, 3 lines down, and then we're going to cross the triple T like this, okay? And of course we have the ones place. And what comes after the ones? The tens. And what comes after the tens? The hundreds. Whew. And what comes after the hundreds place? The thousands place. Thousands place, yes. And I'm just gonna abbreviate it and write thous. I'm just going to write thous because I'm running out of room. So we are going to do this number right here. We're going to do the number 3,000. So then we put a comma after the thousands. 3,429. 3,000, sorry, glare. 3,429. How many thousands are there? 3 thousands. So we're going to write 1,000 and another 1,000 and another 1,000. There's our 3 thousands. How many hundreds are there? 4. 100, 100, 100, 100. There it is. How many tens are there? 2. 10 and a 10. And how many ones? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So this is a 4-digit number. This number is 3,429. And there are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is one number. And how many digits are there? 4. What is the digit 3 representing? Is it just 3? No, it's 3,000. We have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And let's take a look here. How many hundreds are there? There's 4 hundreds. This is the digit 4, but it's worth 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. And this digit 2. This is a digit 2, but is it really just 2? No, it's 20. 10, 20. This digit 2, the value is 20. And the value of the digit 9 is just what? It's just 9, right? Now, I have a question for you. What is the difference between a digit and a number? What is the difference between a digit and a number? Now, digits they're numerals. They're numbers 0 through 9. So a digit could be 9, a digit could be 2, it could be 4, it could be 0. Digits are numbers 0 through 9, and they can be in any place value in a number. So this is in the thousands place, this digit. This digit's in the hundreds place, this digit's in the tens place, and this digit's in the ones place. okay? Numbers are made up of digits. The value of the digits determines the value of the number. So the value of this digit is thousands, so it's 3,000. Now, it can be a little confusing because I could have the number 8, and the number 8 is a digit, but it's also a number. Like if I said I have 8 smoothies, I have 8 smoothies, and I'm going to share my 8 smoothies. 8 is a number. It's just in the ones place, right? Sometimes that can be confusing for scholars. Okay, so your activity on Seesaw is going to be practicing something very similar to this. Thank you for coming to the mini lesson. And I wanted to give you a heads up that we are going to start using a couple of new apps. So if you're feeling like, oh man, Seesaw or ST Math and IXL are great, but I wonder if there's something else we can try, we are going to try another app that we're going to add into our math apps that we use, okay? I hope you have a great day. Thank you for coming to the lesson, and thank you for staying to the end.